Unraveling the mystery. The brown trouser moment. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a rather colorful expression in the English language, the brown trouser moment. This phrase might sound peculiar at first, but it's packed with meaning and cultural nuances. Join us as we explore its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Let's get started. At its core, a brown trouser moment refers to a situation that is extremely frightening or anxiety-inducing, to the point where one might metaphorically need brown trousers to hide any unfortunate accidents. This expression is a bit cheeky and is often used in informal contexts to describe moments of intense fear or nervousness. It's a vivid way to express that feeling of being so scared or shocked that you could lose control. The phrase, brown trouser moment, is believed to have originated from the British military. It was colloquially used to describe the fear and tension experienced during combat situations, where the risk of literally soiling one's trousers was a real possibility. Over time, the expression spread beyond the military, becoming part of everyday language to describe any terrifying or highly stressful moment, though always with a touch of humor. Understanding how to use this phrase is crucial. It's perfect for lighthearted conversations where you're sharing personal experiences of fear or embarrassment. For example, I had a real brown trouser moment during the presentation when I forgot my lines. Remember, due to its informal and somewhat crude humor, it's best reserved for casual settings among friends or people who appreciate slang and idiomatic expressions. It's important to note that while the phrase can add color and humor to your stories, it also carries a level of informality and crudeness. Being sensitive to your audience's comfort with such expressions is key. In more formal or professional settings, or among those who might not appreciate the humor, it's better to use more neutral language to describe feelings of fear or anxiety. The brown trouser moment is a vivid, if not slightly cheeky, way to describe those heart-stopping instances we all encounter from time to time. Like many idiomatic expressions, it's a glimpse into the culture and humor of the English-speaking world. We hope this exploration adds a fun, new phrase to your English language toolkit. Happy learning! And here's to facing those brown trouser moments with courage and a smile.